In last week's English pronunciation tutorial, you learned 4 words that non-native English-speaking professionals commonly mispronounce in English. You should have learned 5 words, but one of those words got cut out during the editing process. So in this week's English pronunciation tutorial, you're going to discover what that 5th word is, you're going to discover how to pronounce it like a native in English, and then if you missed last week's tutorial, in the video that you're about to watch after this, you're going to discover those other 4 words that non-native English-speaking professionals frequently mispronounce in English. If you're a professional who wants to speak English more clearly and with more confidence so that you can grow your career in English, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and use the British accent method to master clear pronunciation of this word. The next word is certificate. And what can catch you out here is the rhythm and stress of the word. And the reason why is because this word has 2 weak syllables. The first syllable, s, and the last syllable, kət, are weak, unstressed syllables. They are the consonants with the schwa sound in between, s and kət. And they are pronounced with as little force as possible whilst you're still actually pronouncing the syllables. Okay? The mistake I often hear with this word is that the stress is put onto the first syllable. So instead of getting certificate, what I hear is certificate. All right? It's a subtle difference, but it does make a difference to the rhythm of your English speaking. Okay? Because English is a stress time language, we really want to make sure that we're putting the stress on the right syllable in each word. That really helps us to sound natural and speak like a native. Okay, so let's build this word up from the back. Kət, 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 fikət, 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 tificate, 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 certificate, certificate, certificate. All right, practice it and make sure here that you're really getting that rhythm and stress nice and naturally, okay? Certificate, certificate. Simple as that. Now, if you missed last week's tutorial and you're a non-native English-speaking professional who wants to be able to speak English with more confidence and more certainty in the workplace, especially if you're managing others or if you're giving presentations or speaking in meetings or job interviews, then in the video that you're about to watch now, you're going to discover the 4 other words that I taught in last week's tutorial that non-native English-speaking professionals frequently mispronounce when they're speaking English in the workplace. So watch this video now, and it's going to give you more confidence the next time that you're speaking English at work. I'll see you here in just a second.